Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online, whether you need to reorganize your financial structure or update account details to better reflect your business operations. This straightforward process will help you maintain accurate bookkeeping. First, navigate to the gear icon in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This icon is your gateway to all the important settings and configurations in QuickBooks. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your account. From the menu that appears, look for the section labeled Your Company and select Chart of Accounts. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the accounts you've set up in your QuickBooks system, including assets, liabilities, income, and expense accounts. It's essentially the backbone of your financial reporting. Now scroll through your Chart of Accounts list to locate the specific account you want to edit. Once you've found it, look to the far right side of that account row where you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal the available actions for that account. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit. This opens up the account editing window where you can modify various details. Here you have the flexibility to change the account name, adjust the account number if you have that feature enabled, or even change the account type or detail type depending on your needs. These changes help ensure your accounts accurately represent your business's financial structure. If you want to organize your accounts hierarchically, you can make this account a sub-account of another. Simply check the box labeled Is Sub-Account and then select the appropriate parent account from the dropdown. This creates a cleaner, more organized structure that's especially useful when running reports. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your changes in the preview area. QuickBooks shows you exactly how this account will appear in your reports, giving you a chance to catch any errors before they're saved. Once you're satisfied with all your modifications, click Save and Close to apply the changes. Your updated account will now reflect the new information across all your financial reports and transactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.